So I'm here, I'm going to show you how to download a WebEx MP4 file and then submit it to your submission area. So what you do is you start off and you go to DeVry WebEx. And then in DeVry WebEx you get this screen. If you've previously recorded an event, just click on Event Recordings. And then you can see all the different recordings you have. I have one here that I just did to make it short. It's nothing in it, it's just short. Okay, and it's going to open this up. You'll see there's two options. There's a streaming option and then there's another option. You click on the quick launched event, the second one, and click on that, and then what it'll do is it should bring up a window in a second that will then allow you to download it to your own personal machine. And I'm going to put it on the desktop, and I'm going to just call this WebEx assignment. I'm going to click on Save, and I had one there, but I'll rename it. Okay, so it's downloaded it and it's sitting there ready for me to upload. Then what I do is I go to here, DeVry WebEx, and then I would find my submission area for the assignment. And just be patient for a second. I'm going to go into Student View here. Okay, let's just say that I had to submit this somewhere. I'd go into my course. Yours won't look all pink like this because I'm simulating as if I was a student. I'd go into whatever module it is where I have to submit it, like here, for example. And then I would click on the Submit Assignment button, and then I would go to Choose File, and then I would look for what's on my desktop. Should be the WebEx assignment. Open, and then I would just submit the assignment. And there it is. It's submitted. There's the file, WebEx assignment, if I wanted to download it again. And that's how you submit in your WebEx assignment.